Myrtle's Cure for Hiccups. Illustrated by Angela On, written by Laura Pina. This is Myrtle. Like all turtles, Myrtle likes to play in the mud, especially on hot days. Chocolate is Myrtle's favorite meal. Myrtle has one problem. The chocolate doesn't like her. Every time Myrtle eats chocolate, she gets the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Sometimes Myrtle's hiccups come without warning. On Monday, Myrtle went to school. While the class was taking a test, Myrtle hiccuped. The teacher sent Myrtle to the office for making noises during a test. Myrtle had chocolate for lunch that day. Tuesday it rained, so Myrtle stayed indoors for lunch and played checkers. She hiccuped so loud and so fierce that the checkers flew everywhere. A couple of checkers flew into Mrs. Pegreen's coffee. On Wednesday, Myrtle played her tuba in a concert at school. Can you imagine what a tuba hiccup sounds like? Mr. Applegate, the conductor, covered his ears. On Thursday, Myrtle went to math class. She tried and tried not to hiccup. Her teacher thought her hiccups were a special bird. This embarrassed Myrtle. Myrtle tried really hard to hold them in. Hiccup, hiccup. There goes that bird again, said her teacher. Myrtle wondered what kind of bird made that noise. On Friday, Myrtle had to talk in front of the class. It was show and tell. Myrtle brought her pet tarantula to show. As Myrtle was about to put the tarantula back in the cage, she hiccuped. Her tarantula fell into Tammy Twinkle's lap. Tammy Twinkle was not happy with Myrtle that day. On Saturday, Myrtle tried to do something about her hiccups. In the morning, she spun around 10 times without stopping. Then she held her breath until she was blue in the face. Myrtle still could not get rid of her hiccups. In the afternoon, Myrtle stood on her head and sang her favorite song. First she turned pink, then red, and then she turned blue. Myrtle still could not get rid of her hiccups. In the evening, Myrtle drank a glass of root beer. She turned around 10 times. She stood on her head. Then she ran 4 laps around the living room. Myrtle still could not stop hiccuping. Myrtle almost gave up. Finally, on Sunday morning, Myrtle opened her closet door. There in her closet stood the hiccup monster. Myrtle was so surprised. Instead of hiccuping, she burped. Burp, said Myrtle. The burp was so loud, the hiccup monster fled. Myrtle was so proud of herself. She had scared the hiccup monster. In all the excitement, Myrtle forgot about her hiccups. The hiccup monster must have gotten what she wanted too. Hiccup, hiccup.